looks like.
It's a holiday, America can't hold me now. Christmas a JM, what a happy crowd. Where the dance them, they from country come a town. I'm coming home. It's a holiday, Britain can't hold me now. Christmas a JM, what a happy crowd. Where the dance them, they from country come a town. The wine cake set a record. Red label wine, sorry, I go sell off. Paint up the place, whitewash.
Okay, hey everybody, thank you guys so much for stopping back. If this clip looked familiar, it definitely is, because I uploaded the wrong day. You're watching the 21st of December. I uploaded the 22nd. But anyways, we should be good from here on out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. Just wanted to let you guys know that you didn't lose your mind. You're watching the right day now, and we will be back on track.
Bala, tell us about your life. You growing up.
Yo, you want to see the melon man? Melon man give a whole speech.
Yeah.
Whole speech he gave. I said, what is that? So the whole second, why did I one day again? I said, you video me? You just tap them.
Start, yeah. And stop it selling.
He said, yo.
One start dance.
Come back, tell you about your life, growing up.
What's that fit out?
No.
Ow!
Wait, that's over.
The car for shit got two to the pot. In your store. I'm a big eating my own invite me. What is my customer too?
Good morning vlog. Let me go in here and talk to you guys really quickly. So we're on the road with mommy again. We're going to deal with some stuff for the wharf and drive around the place. We're going to go to Cayman's Park later, and then we're going to hang out and probably go by the pool. So I'll see you when I see you.
With me in the dog, yeah, don't give me murder in the dog.
Have some soup. It tastes good.
I straight the yard to tackle me now.
I'm going to move faster than the cat.
Oh man, it's hot. So this is steam. Huh? Yes,
Mommy?
Yes. Look at this man, clear the barrel. Oh, you say no one up on YouTube.
No, because no YouTube.
So Dwayne cleared the barrels, box and TV for us. I wanted to be there to film it, but unfortunately I ran behind time and I was like 3 hours. Stop laughing, man. I was like 3 hours late, so I'm gonna never get for video nothing. But bringing you along to show. This is not.
So I'm calling for say this is how much you're paying. I just examined the shipment at about 5 o'clock. And it's nowhere to be found.
It wasn't me.
5 o'clock.
You know, I was ready from 8.
So you never just left out and come.
But you say you back turn to the vehicle, you know, watch the vehicle.
Just come feet and have one piece of argument.
Eh?
A good thing I have look at me.
Yeah, so no, it really wasn't my fault.
This is where the nice part. It's short. See that Saturday?
Saturday, yeah. Oh, sorry. It's open. Hold on. Try it now. So Dwayne is gonna measure the car to see if the TV can fit. It can?
35.
So mommy and I just finished with what we had to do down at the wharf. We got some of the stuff from our box and barrels and stuff like that. Now we're heading back to the hotel. We're going to get some food. Sorry, they're flashing. We're going to get some food. Yeah.
Oh, we got all the door. We see this one.
Yeah, should I have chicken?
Yeah, fried chicken.
Alright, I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, so I'm very bored right now, so I made a Tinder, not a Tinder, I don't have a Tinder. I made a Triller. This is what it looks like. Let's be. That's me. Yeah, no. We're gonna go in the bathroom because the lighting in the bathroom is much better. Don't mind the mess. But I was like, I called downstairs and I asked them, and I was like, what time does the pool close? I thought I heard something send. I'm like, what did I send? So they were like, what time? I was like, what time does the pool close? And the person was like, the pool's 24 hours. I'm like, I'm talking the pool. And then he's like, yeah, the pool is 24 hours. So I was like, let me go to the pool because I like this video, so I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna go to the pool because I haven't been to the pool and we leave tomorrow. And I just wanted to throw on a swimsuit. So I throw on this cover up over it because I'm not in the mood to shave. I'm not gonna shave my armpit. I ain't gonna shave my bikini line. I'm not gonna do that. So I throw this on over it. It's masking it very well. And yeah, so I might go down to the pool. I might just go straight to sleep because I'm kind of tired. And I don't want to go to the pool no more. I even put on heels because not to go to the pool, but just to get cute and, you know, look cute. But I think I'm actually gonna change it to my Crocs and go down to the pool and probably edit by the pool or watch something on my phone and then come back upstairs because I ain't got nothing else to do. But anyway, this is breaching on 2 minutes and I don't really like to film long clips. So I'm gone. Goodbye. I didn't have to do that. Bye. Mommy is in disagreement with what I'm doing, but don't she look so sexy? Like, whatever. All right, I gotta go. Vlog.
Hi everybody.
AC Hotel. Oh.
We are at
good, man.
Oh, okay. We are at AC Hotel on what day?
Thursday.
Saturday.
No, Saturday.
And we're having a great time at the bar with Megan, Auntie Megan, my mom, my sister, Bicana.
Yes.
Bicana, and most importantly me, Brianna. And that's all I have to say. Period. Bye, guys.
Period. Alright. You're gonna post. If any men are watching right now, this is what goes down in the woman's bathroom, okay?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
Yeah. That's what goes down. Then when you have better lighting, you actually know it the right time. So. I wish they had a full length. Them not a full length mirror. But anyways, my coming here come actually want PP. But women, we know when we see a mirror and we know we look good. We know our body set nice. This is my outfit. Actually, this is my outfit. I have the shorts on and my shoes. My toenail, them kind of look away, not lie, but alright.